Hey, this is Allie, and I'm so excited to tell you about this new mop. For transparency, I got it for free, but it never affects my review. This is by RinseWise, and this mop is awesome. I have pets, I have kids, and I was looking for something that when you're using a mop, you don't want to constantly be putting your mop in dirty water to clean your floors, right? So this little contraption is fabulous, and I'm going to show you how. I absolutely love this mop. It is so fantastic. Anybody who has kids or pets can appreciate this one. Up to this level, and then we're going to put the rest of the fresh water in this side. If you have any special cleaning product that you want to put in, you're going to want to put it on this side because it refills this area while you're working. So you're going to use your water and any cleaning product that you like on this side. I'm going to put this in. You're going to put this in and just snap that down. When you're putting fresh water on it before you rinse it, you're going to want to make sure all of the little fibers are inside so that it doesn't splash outside the tub. And while you're mopping, you want to keep it to off so that you can keep it stable while you're mopping. And then when you're ready to use this, you're going to turn it to on so that it spins. So you're adding the water now, the fresh water. You're going to put it on this side, make sure all the fibers are inside. And you're going to press down and it spins the water out. And now you can see it also puts fresh water on this side. Oops. When you turn it to on, it's going to put fresh water on this side for you to use for the next time you need to rinse it. If you don't need additional water, you can always just turn it to off and no water will come out on that side. When you're ready to mop, you're just going to turn it to off right here. And now when you're mopping, it's a stable mop. Make sure you have it to off so it's a stable mop while you're doing it. And then again, when you're ready to rinse, you put it inside where all the fibers are in, you turn it to on, and now you can spin to get the fresh water. And now you want to get all that dirty water out of your mop. And so now it's taken all that. If you need more fresh water to rinse it, you just put it back on this side and repeat. And put it back on this side to get the dirty water out. Something to note, so now I have it off. Something to note, all of the dirty water is actually on this side, underneath this side of the bucket. All your fresh water is still under this side. So I love it because it keeps it completely separated. You have only fresh water rinsing your mop, so you're only gonna have fresh, clean water while you're cleaning your floor, and it's extraordinarily awesome. It keeps my floor clean, and I really, really like this. I definitely give this one a high rating, and I hope that helps.